Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What's up? I think it's either a year or over a year since I haven't posted, but I'm so happy you have taken the time out to tune in onto my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how I use a blow dryer to shrink band, right? onto the bottle. Okay, so back at that time, I didn't have a heat gun, so I decided I wanted to record it and show you guys. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, if you have reached thus far, I thank you so much for staying in tune. At that point in the video, I didn't have a heat gun. It was just a blow dryer and I decided that I'm gonna try out the blow dryer. So in this point, the blow dryer, it stiffened the shrink band up. So because it's my first time doing this, I didn't know that I could it's soft. At the time it's heated, so it gets soft, so I could use my fingers. In the end of the nearly to the end of the video, you will see where I use my fingers to straighten that out. At this point, now that I'm doing the voiceover, I got a heat gun, but at that point I was trying to see if I could use the blow dryer by the time I should get a heat gun. So I have to time lapse this video because this video takes so long. The dryer, it takes longer than a heat gun when I experience the heat gun. At this moment, I realize that the heat gun is much faster. Okay, enjoy.